Good afternoon, children. Welcome back. So, today we are going to see the beautiful story about the peacock and the crane. So, open your textbook, page number 18, lesson number 1.6, The Peacock and the Crane. There once was a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Okay, there was once a very conceited peacock, means that peacock was very proud of itself. Okay, because the peacock is very beautiful. Yes, and its tail is very gorgeous. Yes, means beautiful tail. So when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers. Okay, this crane is also one bird. Okay, when this peacock met the crane one day, he saw that the crane's color is very dull color. Yes, and the feathers are very dull. Scoffed. Scoffed means he laughed at that crane. Okay, the peacock started laughing in very rudely way and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Okay, as he saw the crane, what did the peacock did? He spread his tail. Okay, he opened his feathers to show the crane that how beautiful the peacock's tail is. Yes, and to prove him that see how your tail is very dull, very dirty by my tail. Look at my feathers, he boasted. Okay, he boasted means he said to that crane that see how my feathers are. Look at my feathers, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. Okay, now what the peacock is saying to the bird crane that see how my feathers shine in the like the colors of rainbow. I have many different colors on my tail. Yes, and see your tail, how pale it is. It is means it is very dull. I am dressed like a king. And what the peacock is saying that I look like a king. Yes, my dress up is fully like a king. That's true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. While you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. Now, what the crane is saying to the peacock? Yes, I know that you are too much beautiful. Your feathers are very beautiful. But I can fly high in the sky. Can you fly? No. The peacock, have you seen any peacock flying? No. Yes, peacock never flies high in the clouds. But this crane, it can fly. And the crane is also saying that I can see all the beauty of the earth going up. Yes, but you cannot see that. You can only stay on the earth, live on the earth like the cocks. Yes, you have seen the cocks, how they live down. They cannot fly high in the sky. You can only fly near the earth only, not that much high. Yes, and what the crane is saying that fine feathers don't make fine birds. Okay, it means even if you have too much feathers, you cannot be like a bird. A bird is it is called as to be flying. Yes, a bird should fly. And see how I am flying in the sky. You cannot fly. So you only have the fine feathers, but you cannot be a fine bird. But I am the fine bird who can see full the whole earth. Okay, I can roam from here and there. Yes, so what we understand from this story is that never judge anyone. Okay, never make anyone very much that example we can see. Even if our class, if there is one student, okay, if your friend is looking very dull, you should not tease them. It may be that your dull friend must be very scholar in studies, that you are not there. Yes, तो जो दिखता है वैसे नहीं होता है, राइट? If you are looking very beautiful, it doesn't mean that you are very good in the studies or you are very good in maths. But if your friend is not looking beautiful, but he or she may be very good in maths, maybe scholar in studies, yes. So anytime we have to remember that looking good or looking beautiful does not matter. Okay, what you are and what you can do is most important. Okay, if your friends are teasing us, if you are not looking good, don't take it in your mind. Yes, because it is not that, and God has made us however we are. Yes, God has created us. Yes, we have not created ourselves by our own hands. Yes, even the birds are made by God. Yes, so it's our God's gift. So now read this story carefully and note down all the meanings in your notebook. Thank you.